Required to find the value of angle y. Let adjacent angle to angle y be x. This implies that the total angles of the irregular pentagon can be found from formula. The product of n minus 2 and 180 degrees, where n, in this case, equals 5 sides. It means that the product of n minus 2 and 180 degrees equals the product of 5 minus 2 and 180 degrees, which equals to 540 degrees. It implies that the sum of x, 125 degrees, 90 degrees, 135 degrees and 90 degrees equals to 540 degrees. Thus, the sum of x and 440 degrees equals to 540 degrees. Subtract 440 degrees from both sides of the equation. We have that x equals 540 degrees minus 440 degrees, which equals to 100 degrees. Therefore x equals 100 degrees. But the sum of x and y equals 180 degrees. It is because the sum of angles in a straight line equals 180 degrees. Thus, substitute value of x in the equation and we have that the sum of 100 degrees and y equals 180 degrees. It signifies that y equals 180 degrees minus 100 degrees, which equals to 80. Therefore y equals 80 degrees. The correct option is D.